let me tell you about a monkey. A very special monkey. Well, this monkey wasn't just swinging through the jungle like any ordinary primate. No. This monkey became the Monkey King. He was Sun Wukong, the rebellious, immortal, mischievous trickster who could battle gods and outwit demons. It all began with a stone egg. And before you roll your eyes, let me assure you, this wasn't just any egg. Imagine a gigantic ancient rock sitting on a mountain for centuries, absorbing the purest of energies from heaven and earth. Then one day out popped a monkey, one with an attitude, powers, and the potential to cause absolute chaos. That's Sun Wukong's beginning. He sprang from the earth itself, and you'd better believe he wasn't going to let anyone forget it. Now, Sun Wukong wasn't content just hanging around with the other monkeys, swinging from trees and munching on fruit. No, our guy had bigger ambitions. He wanted power and immortality, and he wasn't the kind of monkey to wait patiently or play by the rules to get it. That's what makes him different from the rest of us mortals, right? We're all worried about bills and paying taxes, and Sun Wukong is off stealing the secrets of the universe. Sun Wukong traveled far and wide in search of immortality, eventually becoming the disciple of Taoist Master Bodhi. Now, picture this: a wild monkey sitting cross-legged, meditating like a sage, while secretly plotting how to get ahead of everyone else. Through his training, Wukong learned how to shapeshift into 72 different forms, summon clouds to fly, and wield all sorts of magical powers. Basically, Sun Wukong got the ultimate cheat codes for life. But that wasn't enough for him. He wanted more. So, what did our ambitious monkey do? He stormed the Dragon King's palace at the bottom of the sea and demanded a weapon fit for someone of his importance. And what did he find? The Ruyi Jingu Bang, a staff that could change its size at will. It could grow as tall as the sky or shrink down to the size of a needle. Sun Wukong could hide it behind his ear, and yes, he loved showing that off at every opportunity. With his new weapon, Sun Wukong felt unstoppable. Now, with all that power, you'd think Sun Wukong would just relax and enjoy the perks of immortality, right? Nope, not this monkey. He decided that he wanted to rule the heavens. He demanded a place in the heavenly court, and when the Jade Emperor, the ruler of heaven, tried to pacify him with a lowly title, Wukong snapped. He declared himself the Great Sage, equal of heaven, and it wasn't long before the Monkey King went from a celestial civil servant to a full-blown rebel. Sun Wukong's rebellion was epic. He caused chaos in the heavens, beating up gods, eating the immortality peaches meant for the highest-ranking deities, and downing sacred wine like it was a street party. The gods, realizing they had a serious monkey problem, begged Buddha himself to intervene. Buddha, with his usual calm and collected demeanor, challenged Sun Wukong to a little bet. Buddha told him that if he could escape from the palm of his hand, he'd let him rule the heavens. Sun Wukong, full of confidence, jumped onto his cloud and flew as far as he could to the ends of the universe, where he left a little mark to prove he'd made it. When he returned, laughing in triumph, Buddha just smiled and showed Wukong that the mark was right there on his finger. Sun Wukong hadn't even left Buddha's palm. And without a chance for Sun Wukong to react, Buddha slammed a mountain down on him, trapping him beneath it for 500 years. That's how Sun Wukong, the Great Sage, equal of heaven, found himself in a very humbling position, stuck under a mountain, waiting for his next chapter. But don't worry, Sun Wukong wasn't done yet. This was only the beginning. He'd go on to join a legendary pilgrimage to the west, helping a monk retrieve sacred scriptures, battling demons, and redeeming himself along the way. His story is one of redemption, rebellion, and a whole lot of mischief. But that's for another time. For now, just remember this: never underestimate a monkey with ambition and a magical staff. So, after all that, if you're not ready to join the rebellion, I don't know what to tell you. Sun Wukong fought gods, and somehow you're still not subscribed? Maybe you need your own magical staff to help you hit that button. Don't make me get a mountain involved. Subscribe now or risk missing more epic tales like this, because even monkeys need an audience.